Are operational speed, control, and quality issues still keeping you up at night? Most likely it adds up to the following problems: inefficient data routing and process quality issues, gaps in corporate compliance and overdue reporting, lack of security and high operational risks, inability to provide successful application rollout for operational workflows. If any of the above sounds familiar to you, it's time to act. We are here to help you streamline business-critical operations, from tracking your company's assets and managing requests to delivery control and reporting. Complex and time-consuming operational processes become fast, secure, and transparent using automated document workflows with an all-in-one no-code solution. After completing our courses for operations managers, you'll be able to improve your operational capacity and resource planning, simplify operational workflows and secure digital data, and automate the most complex operational processes. Boost your operational workflows right now. Sign up for free airSlate courses for operations managers and turn your burdensome business operations into seamless and fast automated document workflows.